Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Ram Express Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2241P. Only 23,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report and brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. It's Ram Seat 6, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Also has in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. The Ram is very unique in that it is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf sprays, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Express has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Again, only 24,000 miles. Cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Compass, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning and integrated trailer brake control. Cup holders and storage in the center console. USB and auxiliary input. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger with additional underfloor storage, and that is where the CD player is. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.